Welcome to Fiji, a paradise of islands floating in the South Pacific, famous for its beaches, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. But hidden beneath its waves and inside its forests lies a world many have never seen, rare wild animals found nowhere else on Earth. I'm Venant, and you're watching Stories and Documentaries TV. Today, we uncover 10 wild animals native to Fiji and their habitats. Stay with us until the end to discover nature's secrets. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to join our growing community of explorers. Let's begin this wild journey. Number 10. Fiji Crested Iguana. Our journey begins with a vibrant splash of color and a touch of the prehistoric. Meet the Fiji Crested Iguana. This reptile, found only on a few islands in Fiji, is a true gem of evolution. Picture this, a sleek, bright green body accentuated by a row of bony, spiky knobs forming a crest along its head. This crest, more prominent in males, is not just a stylish accessory, but a tool for attracting mates and asserting dominance. The Fiji crested iguana thrives in the dry forests of its native range, where it spends its days basking in the sun, soaking up warmth and keeping a sharp eye out for potential threats. These iguanas are mostly herbivorous, feasting on the leaves, flowers, and fruits that adorn the trees they call home. Despite their relatively small size, these creatures play a crucial role in seed dispersal, helping to maintain the biodiversity of their forest habitats. Yet sadly, these magnificent reptiles find themselves on the edge, classified as critically endangered. Their numbers dwindling due to factors such as habitat loss and the introduction of invasive species. Number 9. Fijian ground frog. Now let's turn our attention to a tiny creature that makes a giant leap into our lives, literally. Get ready to hop into the world of the Fijian ground frog. These little amphibians are not your average frogs. They prefer to live on land rather than near water, which is pretty unusual for frogs, don't you think? Their skin is smooth and moist with a velvety texture, typically shades of brown or green, allowing them to camouflage seamlessly into their surroundings. The Fijian ground frog is primarily nocturnal, coming out to play when the sun goes down. They hunt for insects and worms, using their long, sticky tongues to catch their prey. Unfortunately, these unique frogs are becoming rarer day by day. As their natural habitats are destroyed, they face a challenging journey for survival. Number 8. Fiji banded iguana. Let's take a closer look at another stunning member of the iguana family, the Fiji banded iguana. Just like its relative, the Fiji crested iguana, this reptile is also found only in Fiji, adding to the country's reputation as a haven for unique wildlife. Male Fiji banded iguanas are truly a sight to behold, with their bright green bodies adorned with vibrant blue stripes running from their snouts to their tails. These colors are not just aesthetically pleasing, but serve as a visual display during mating season, allowing the iguanas to attract their potential partners. Now, these fascinating creatures are more than just visually striking. They play a crucial role in seed dispersal. As they feast on the fruits of various plants, they inadvertently help in spreading the seeds, contributing to the growth and propagation of the flora around them. Isn't nature amazing? 7. Collared lorry. Shifting gears to the avian wonders of Fiji, let's meet the collared lorry, also known as the Fiji lorry. This parrot is hard to miss with its striking scarlet body, jet black wings, and of course the distinctive black collar that gives it its name. These beautiful birds are the national parrot of Fiji, gracing the islands with their presence and adding a splash of color to the lush green forests. The collared lorikeet is not just a beautiful addition to Fiji's ecosystem, but also an integral part of it. They feed primarily on nectar and pollen, making them important pollinators. As they flit from flower to flower, they inadvertently transfer pollen, aiding in the fertilization process. Number 6. Kadavu fantail. Our journey takes us to the remote Kadavu Island, where we encounter a bird that is as unique as its habitat, the Kadavu fantail. This small songbird is found only in this part of Fiji, making it a true endemic species. The most remarkable feature of the Kadavu fantail is, of course, its tail. When courting or displaying aggression, the tail feathers spread out like a fan, creating an impressive spectacle. 5. Fiji flying fox. Let's swing into the world of bats with the Fiji flying fox. Also known as the Fijian fruit bat, this flying fox is the largest bat species in Fiji. Despite their size, they are surprisingly nimble, soaring through the skies with grace and agility. These bats are vital for maintaining healthy forests. As they feed on fruits, they disperse seeds over long distances, aiding in the regeneration of forests and the growth of new trees. Number 4. Giant forest gecko. Prepare to be amazed by one of the most fascinating inhabitants of Fiji's forests, the giant forest gecko. True to its name, this gecko is quite large, with some individuals growing up to 20 inches in length. Their coloration is a marvel of camouflage, allowing them to blend seamlessly into the bark of trees, making them masters of disguise. Number 3. Orange dove. Let's take a moment to appreciate the elegance and rarity of the orange dove, a bird that seems straight out of a fairy tale. With its soft, plushy feathers that glow like a radiant orange in the sunlight, this dove is a sight to behold. The male orange doves are particularly stunning, boasting vibrant plumage that sets them apart from their more common grey or brown-feathered counterparts. Number 2. Fiji petrel. Let's embark on a thrilling adventure to spot one of the rarest seabirds on the planet, the Fiji petrel. These enigmatic birds can only be found on the remote island of Gao in Fiji, and catching a glimpse of them is akin to witnessing a rare jewel of nature. Number 1. Pacific boa. Finally, we turn our attention to a creature that slithers into our list, the Pacific boa. This non-venomous snake is the largest reptile in Fiji, reaching impressive lengths of up to 13 feet. Despite their size, they are harmless to humans, playing a significant role in controlling rodent populations. And there you have it, 10 wild animals native to Fiji and their habitats, from the vibrant Fiji-crested iguana to the elusive Fiji petrel. Fiji's biodiversity is nothing short of spectacular. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Fiji's wild side. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep exploring the wonders of our planet. We'll see you soon with another exciting journey.